Hi everybody, my name is Vish. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about YouTube growth. Today we have an interesting topic, how to start a YouTube channel in 2026. Very important. 2025 is almost over, very few days left. If you are planning to start a YouTube channel in 2026, it is very important you should start understanding the basics of YouTube, work on the YouTube algorithms, understand the keywords, how it works. It's very simple. Starting a YouTube channel is very simple. Even a small kid can start a YouTube channel these days. The main important part is starting YouTube channel is very easy, but the thing is you should have the proper discipline, consistency, motivation. You have to upload videos regularly. It is highly recommended. And very important is choose the proper niche, work on your niche, you will become master. Check your competitor videos, how they are using thumbnail, title, description, figure out the proper ways you can build great videos for your audience. Whatever you have, try to make small videos and try to upload your videos regularly. Just start. Don't wait for proper time or don't try to become perfect. It's very simple. You have to get started. You will get confidence slowly. It's very super simple. You can use free AI tools like ChatGPT for proper niche. You can work on the niche, understand how your audience want video from your end. It's just very simple. Your goal should be create great videos, give solutions to your audience, upload your videos regularly. It is very important. Try to make 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes duration videos. Always prefer long videos because people will hit the subscription button. Always work hard and believe 2026 gonna be my year. I'm gonna upload great videos for my audience. I'll bring the best videos from my end. Create more videos, whatever it may be. Choose the proper niche, understand your audience requirements, make great videos. You will see lots of changes in your videos. Even if you get less views, don't give up because one day your videos will go viral. It's very important. You have to think great, work regularly, try to bring the best videos. Definitely your audience will love. YouTube is great platform. It is free of cost. Anyone can start making videos. No investment, nothing. Just you should have the knowledge, how you talk, it's very important. Even if you use basic language, it is enough. You can start a YouTube channel. You can start in any language according to your confidence. Try to reach global audience. You can easily grow in YouTube platform. You have to maintain the consistency, discipline, great knowledge sharing to your audience. It is very important. As I told before, don't worry about less views. You will get more views later. The thing is, you have to decide and create 4 to 5 minutes duration videos very quickly. YouTube is one of the best platform. You will love making videos in the coming days. So it's all about your dedication, passion, mindset. It's very important. If you like my videos, do comment in the comment box 2026. I'll bring the great videos. Do subscribe my channel. Stay fit, stay healthy.